Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm with my friend Ollie again. You probably saw him in the last video. And today we're gonna be playing Super Bomb Survival in Roblox because actually doing that in real life is dangerous and do not throw bombs at yourself. For sure. Please don't. You'll probably go to the hospital. Anyway, so my friend Ollie is here. Yep, he's on the phone again, like in the last video. I mentioned all the details in the last one. He's on the phone and stuff. And if you want to join me and Ollie...
What? Dude, I fell into a bomb.
Found it. Anyway. So, right now we're just gonna play as a bomb because the round already started. Why isn't it letting me in? Oh, that's why. Okay. I'm just gonna look for coins around here. Coins sometimes spawn, so. Instead of being a bomb head, I'm just gonna look for coins around the lobby. Coins do spawn in the lobby.
Do you want to do a course? I'm going to spectate. Hey, dude.
What?
I'm doing this.
You're spectating? I don't know what this is, dude. Anyway, so in 20 seconds, we'll be able to actually join a new game, but we'll have to vote too. Look, there's some cubbies with some shoes, the Roblox logo, because everyone has to sponsor Roblox apparently. Which one should we do, dude? I'm thinking dinner time. Yeah, dinner time sounds like a good one. Okay. Now we're going to play this round. Bombs are gonna rain from the sky, and we'll have to survive it for as long as we can. And when the round ends, we'll get some money. And money falls down from the sky as well. Dude, the dominoes actually work. The dominoes actually work. That's awesome. Anyway. So yes, coins and bombs and pizzas will rain from the sky.
Oh my!
I died! No, that missile was so powerful.
Oh, red.
Dude, I got struck by a missile right when I spawned it. I'm spectating you guys. I am now spectating you. I'm spectating you, Ollie. I'm oofing you. I said oof.
2 people are spectating me. Ow. Ow.
Oof, that looked bad. I'm gonna oof again for you, okay? What's oofing even do? Do you even hear it when I oof? Guys, I think it actually attracts bombs to him, but I put on mute so he can't hear this. I think it attracts bombs to him. So let's see if we can kill him by attracting bombs.
No, I died.
Oh, well, he died. So I guess we can't, guys. Sorry about that. Let's try it on this. Dude, what is that? Anyway, let's exit around the lobby again because they do spawn. I've seen one with my own eyes. Let's see. Any coins around the lobby? Not seeing any so far. What's that thing lead to? Oh, we need a vote, guys. Let's vote. Okay, dude, which
Oh, dude,
one?
do the middle one.
Middle?
Yeah.
Ooh, that one does look really cool. But so do some of these other. Okay, let's do it. Anyway, I really need more coins. I only have 6. I can't even be a bomb head. I wonder what this remote does. I actually have never tried it. Wonder what this power-up does. I've tried it, so it's gonna surprise me and you. I have created nighttime. Do you want day or night? It's night. Oh, I know this one. I've seen this one before. But
Oh, God.
what's that? So guys, let's see if we can get any coins around. Still don't understand what that does. Oh, I think I know what it does. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. Oh no, banana bomb, banana bomb. I'm looking for any coins around the map though. Oh, and guys, if you don't like the view, then let's try this. Better for you guys. Those guys are dead. That lava's so making them done for. Do not step there. Anyway, where are some coins? Explosive ducks? Dude, do not go near any ducks. They are exploding. There's exploding ducks. I kind of want to see this.
Dude, stay right where you are.
Oh gosh, the ducks really do explode.
No.
The ducks explode, dude. I need to test it out, and guys, when it says explosive ducks, it is not kidding. There's actually explosive ducks. Those duckies are gonna explode us all.
Dude, stay right where you are.
Dude, no, do you want me to get cornered by bombs and die? Ducky. Bomb. I'm looking anywhere for coins or something that would help me. Guys, we survived! 132 because we actually didn't get hit this whole time. Dude, should we go? Which one should we do? This one, the snow one. Do the snow one. I'm not getting VIP. That would just be bad. So why is the game offering it to me? No idea. Let's see if... What skill should I use, dude? Should I use healing, poison pizza, bomb, stealth mine? I'm doing healing. Healing is probably the best one I have, actually. Healing's really good. Actually, I'm gonna try and buy some perks next time. Okay. This is calmer than last time. I think it's because of the lag. Yeah, there's lag. Oh gosh. I was disconnected. Sorry about that, everyone.
Stop.
It happens all the time. So, yeah. When I'm leaving the game... Oh, wait! I got reconnected, yay!
Dude, why did you leave the game?
No, I got really bad lag and then I got disconnected. So I rejoined. I left and rejoined. I left and rejoined the game. So that's fine. Actually, I have a good idea.
What?
Since I'm no longer in the game, just need to wait 5 seconds. And then there's gonna be a major explosion. Dude, I'm a bomb. I'm a bomb head. I'm gonna try and find a group of people. Hey dude, I'm the bomb head. I'm gonna find someone and then blow them up. Blow up. Oh, this is a group of people, but it will take a little while for me. This dude's like, oh gosh, gotta run. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see if I can buy any perks. I can't. Last trick, big saver. Ooh. Panic shield. Gain a short force field. I'm taking damage. There's some really good perks. And see, guys, there was a coin. I'm not understanding. No. That's what is that? Let's see. Which one should we do? Hospital. Oh, too late. Okay. Ooh, yes, coin. We're in Super Bomb Survival, and let's see what we can do. I want to get that force field. Dude. I'm looking for coins anywhere. Oh gosh, bombs. Yes, pizza. Pizza will help. Pizza will help a lot. Yo, why didn't the healing heal me? Oh gosh. I need this. Energy drink. I'm getting wrecked. That didn't help at all. This stuff I'm getting did not help, and by the way, you're probably dead. Are you dead, dude, in the game? No. This is bad. Ooh, points. Sure, I'm running for my life, but no one can resist free coins and stuff. Dude, I think I'm gonna survive. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, I survived. By the way, a lot of my videos don't have outros because the timer runs out. Anyway, that ends the video. So, I guess